Hey guys, welcome to the shop. I'm Fred. So tonight's going to be a very quick one. I finished off my welding positioner and I'm going to give you shots of that. I got it all powered up, made the little control box, tigged up some aluminum. So yeah, it's working good. Put a little reverse switch on it, put a handle on it. I just got to do some touch-ups on the paint and she's good to go. So I'd like to say thanks to Paul at Knockler's Workshop. I got his sticker there the other day. It is now on the garage door here. And one on the whoopsie, one on the cheap door, as Ross Knox would say. So Paul, thank you so much for your stickers. Yeah, so Paul's got a little, he's got a little shop in the UK. Actually, he's got a pretty big shop. Does some awesome reconditioning of some old equipment. He's got a very nice small jeweler's vise, or not vise, lathe that he just picked up, which is awesome. I sent that video to my friend because he does HO trains and stuff. So HO and N scale trains. So he's been looking for a small machine. So I gave him Paul's channel to let him check it out. So anyways, Paul, again, thank you so much. All right, guys, I'm going to give you some shots of the positioner and I'll come back. Okay, guys, so there's the box I made. I put a little reverse switch on it, so it's working great. Got the speed control on there. She's turning. I think I'm going to change this this El Cheapo 4-jaw to 3-jaw self-centering. It's just too much work to center up all the time, so I'm going to change that out to like a maybe a chuck that I have on my indexing table here for the mill. That's a 4-inch, so that'll work out pretty good on that. So that's what I think I'm going to put on this one here. I don't do a lot of work. I do maybe stuff like about this 2.5 inch, maybe 3-inch. That's it. And yeah, I don't do a lot of specialty welding. I just kind of made this little piece of stainless. I had some scrap in my bin. I wanted to test it out and check the speed out. So the speed's pretty good. Works out great. So I think I'm going to try a test TIG and just give a fusion weld around that. And I've got the other piece here. So, but yeah, she's working pretty good. I'm going to put the camera back on the tripod and I'll show you how I can switch positions. All right, hang in there. Okay, guys, we're back. So, got the handles. I can move this 90 degrees. So, no efforts. Very well balanced. Put it back. I got my little steady rest that goes in here. I'll give you some shots in the front so you can, when you're tigging, you can rest your hand on there. So, and back down again. So I just put this handle on there a couple weeks ago. Just cleaned off all the paint and stuff. I got to repaint that. Put this handle on so I can carry it around. It's about 50 pounds, maybe a little bit less. I'm just getting old. I can't lift as much as I used to. But yeah, this thing's done now. So I'm pretty stoked about that. So yeah. Like I said, tilts. I got the perfect rounding. Goes up through the frame here, in here. I got the bushing in the back in my previous videos. And it just rubs against a big stainless steel recessed washer. So it, yeah, it's working out good. I'm pretty happy about that. So yeah, let me get the TIG machine all set up and we'll give her a test. All right, hang in there. Okay guys, let's give this thing a shot. Well, I just got to adjust the speed, but other than that, not too bad. I'll give you a few close-ups here. I hate this vice though, I really do. I'm going to have to get, like I said, the one of my heavy duty gloves on here. I'm gonna get a pair of pliers because she's still toasty. Hang in there. Alright guys, let me see if I can get this focused in. So it turned out pretty good. Yep, so that's a wrap. This project is now done. Alright, hang in there. Guys, yeah, that's it for the welding positioner. I'm pretty stoked that it works out all right. I am going to change this chuck. I hate sitting there having to fiddle fart around with it. So I'm going to put a 3-jaw in there and take this one off and stick it in the bin. Anyways, guys, I'd like to say thanks to all my subscribers. Thanks to all my new subscribers. And all the guys that have been hanging in there with me for the last few years. Really appreciate it. If you have any comments, send them. Comments are appreciated. You like it, hit the like button. Thanks again, guys. You have a great night. Bye for now.